Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of a WordPress page using Elementor. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, you can see I am on my WP dashboard. I will click on pages and select all pages. These are the available page in my website. I will click on add new page and I'm not going to select any template. Here I will type FineGap BG. BG stands for background. Let me click on publish and again publish. Now I will select edit with Elementor. If you have not installed Elementor, you can install it by going to plugin section. So I will click on it. Now you can see that the same page is opened in Elementor. To change its background color, you have to select settings. Here you can see page settings are open. Next click on style and here you will see an option background type. Select classic. You can also select gradient if you want to give gradient background color. From here, I will select a color. You can select from available colors, or if you want to select a custom color, you can select on this, and from here you can select the color according to your requirement. That's it. Next click on update to save changes, and next I will click on this I button to preview changes. So friends, you can see that the whole page background color is changed successfully. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section, and please let us know in the comment section that if you have any question, and share this video with those friends who want to learn web development. And finally, thanks for watching.